Hello again, it's Haley, Chair of the Bay Area K, back with some announcements about our upcoming holiday event, Ursa Major. We have been hosting a holiday pop-up shopping event in the Bay Area for 7 years, and each time it has gotten bigger and better. For the past 2 years, we have partnered with the Hotel Kabuki in the heart of Japantown to bring this event to the epicenter of Kawaii in San Francisco. And this year, we are upgrading to a full-on J-fashion convention. So how will it be different? To start, we will have programming for all 3 days of our event. As always, you may shop with our vendors and artists for free, no badge required. To join the rest of our exciting lineup of events and programming, you'll need to purchase a badge, just like a regular convention. To kick off Ursa Major, on Friday evening we will have a social mixer, karaoke night, and an EDM dance with a live DJ. Make some new friends, sing your heart out, and show off your best moves. Saturday is our big shopping day. Check out our 2 vending areas. Our main vendor hall is located in the Sakura room on the lobby level. There you can find items from both local and international J-fashion designers and artists. But wait, there's more! Gothic and Lolita Market, the largest Lolita event in Japan, is coming to Ursa Major. The Gothic and Lolita Market pop-up will be downstairs in the garden level. Check out goods from over 30 indie Japanese designers, curated by the organizers themselves. Throughout Saturday, we plan on having additional programming that will be announced closer to the event. Then, spend your Saturday evening at our holiday ball. Pair up with your friends, learn some dances, and waltz the night away. You can also compete in our Lolita coordinate contest and be the talk of the ball. Last but not least, Sunday is our swap meet and panels day. Unload your old pieces, find some good deals, and then head over to enjoy some interactive workshops and informative panels. Now, before I get on to some of the most exciting announcements, I have to make some very important announcements first about our COVID-19 policy and our code of conduct. All attendees must wear a face mask unless actively eating or drinking in all of our event spaces. This includes the free shopping areas. Winter is cold and flu season, and we want everyone to make it home without taking the con crud with them. Some events, including both of our dances, will require COVID-19 vaccine checks at the door. For our full COVID-19 policy, please check our website. Next up, we have a full code of conduct on our website this year. Whether you buy a badge or are just shopping in our vending areas, we fully expect you to adhere to these rules. Most of them are just basic common sense and general courtesy, but please read through them fully if you plan to attend. And lastly, while most of the convention is all ages, there will be some events, including both of our dances, that are limited to attendees 18 and over. Thank you so much for taking a moment for these very important and serious announcements. Now let's get back to the fun stuff. We have already selected our amazing vendors and artists for this year's event. You can see a full list as well as more detailed information on our website. In addition to these fantastic brands, we have the honor of bringing Gothic and Lolita Market to the United States for the first time. The Gothic and Lolita Market is a Japanese indie brand pop-up. They'll be bringing items from various Japanese indie brands, and a few of the designers themselves will be coming to our event in person this year. They are currently selecting brands for Ursa Major, and we will announce more information soon, so please stay tuned. After hearing about our event, I hope you're excited to join us. Badges go on sale on October 1st, 2023 at 12 p.m. Pacific Time. Want to shop ahead of the crowd? While you don't need a badge for our shopping areas, you do need one if you want to gain access to our VIP shopping hour. Shop both the main vending hall and the Gothic Lolita Market pop-up a whole hour early, from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Pacific Time when you add this onto your badge purchase. Please head to our website for the price list and an easy link to the Eventbrite to grab your badges. Well, I hope this video has answered some of the questions you may have had about this event. We are so excited to see you in December. Until next time, see you later.